This is my first attempt to make bread on Gone Bamboo. I'm using the Kiwi Country Girls recipe for crusty, no-knead bread. You can see mine is just a little bitty thing. So 3 cups of flour, a little bit of salt, a little bit of yeast, warm water. I threw it in that bowl, covered it, let it sit for 24 hours. That didn't rise very much, but I'm going to bake it anyway in my forced tin oven that I have on the boat. And, well, I put the double Dutch cast iron skillet is in the oven heating up. So we'll see how the bread turns out. I'll take it out of the oven in about 40 minutes and we'll give it a go. All right. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, one other thing. This is pretty funny. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. We were at the market the other day. This is a funny looking little fruit. It's called a fajora, and you slice it. It's supposed to be similar to a kiwi fruit is what we would say, but I haven't sliced it yet. It's very expensive, but they grow on sides of roads and in bushes, and actually they call it a weed here. So I'm going to slice it and see what happens. They say you can make banana bread, but use fajoras instead of banana. We'll see. All right, y'all have fun.